el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Llegan a Astorga, el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Van para Santiago, por el camino de Santiago, va el de Australia.
Oh!
It's an 18-kilometre long, straight, unserviced walk through a wide-open agricultural landscape, bringing seclusion and freedom, but making us oh so footsore. This, the Calzada Romana, is the longest stretch of Roman road in Spain. Finished the day in Mansilla de las Mulas, which translates as hand on the saddle of the mules. Here we reunite with our Camino family to cook and share dinner, cheap tasty wine, and anecdotes with new friends and old. Walking with good company and conversation quickens, lightens and brightens an otherwise uneventful entrance to the city of Leon. We regret not exchanging contacts with Enrique, with whom we shared so many good times. I guess we thought we'd keep running into him, but we must have moved into different walking schedules. If anyone knows him, let him know. We'd love to hear from him. There's so much to see in Leon. Layers of history and culture abound. There's a Gaudi building. And the cuisine's a delight.
There's so much pork and cheese.
University of Washington. We have a fun night out, and it tickles us when we keep running into so many pilgrim friends in bars and on the street and in the square, despite being strangers to the city. I'm pretty excited to have a wee chat with Gaudi too. We take our first full day off in Leon,
A 0 day.
having realised that I've taken some unwanted passengers on board, the dreaded chinches.
Or beard bugs.
I get myself a cheap outfit,
Camino fashion.
hit the laundromat, strip down, and put most of my worldly goods into a very hot dryer to blast the little buggers. And we never have a problem with them again. alongside roads for much of the day, and the terrain is flat, straight, and little varied. But we've become experts in keeping ourselves entertained. I am purple. Howie is yellow. Game 3. Poo sticks. This time it's poo flowers. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's going to be a quick one.
Purple, yay!
Oh, Cash got it.
2 for Howie, 1 for me.
We make up for our day off with our longest hike yet, 33 kilometres.
We're really thrilled to reach this landmark, the Puente de Órbigo. But the cobbles are murder on our feet and we hobble our way slowly across, imagining the jousting tournaments of old that took place beneath it and are commemorated with a huge fiesta here every year. We put that one on our bucket list. The Refugio Parochial Karl Leisner is a welcome retreat.
And airing my blisters in the sun is bliss.
Let me go on, like a blister in the sun. Let me go on. Big hands, I know you're the one.